All right, hanging therapy. Do we like it? Upside down hanging, other forms of traction tables, inversion tables. Do we like the upside down hanging? Do we like it? Is it good?
If it's a one time intervention or it's your only intervention, it's probably not a great approach. Don't just act like this fixes everything. Like, oh, I saw Ray Williams do it. I'm going to squat 1,000 pounds now. If this mic comes off, I'm not refilming this. I always say, like, working on NFL guys, they stretch so much, they're like gymnasts. And that's kind of what I always think about doing this stretch. Getting the hips moving.
Some contraindications would be uncontrolled blood pressure, ligamentous instability, stenosis, spondies, and acute fractures. This video is for informational purposes only and is approved by Dogs in America.